Hi guys, are you bored your car doesn't have CarPlay? Don't worry, today we share a box to bring new life to your car. Today have a Toyota RAV4 install a brand new wireless CarPlay system. It's easy plug and play. I will show you how to do it. Let me get started. You can see here of how this works. We get these three connectors, matching connector on our harness. Alright, we get all these connectors to our harness. So, everything about the radio is actually the same. The only difference now is we have CarPlay. You can see the wireless CarPlay already connected. The factory touch screen still available in this screen. There are two ways of blowing into CarPlay. One, they just click Aux to enter it, and you can press this button bring you come back. 2. Press this button to enter it again. Long press here or Hey Siri to active. You can see we also can control the volume in the CarPlay. You just don't see the volume indicator change. Of course, there are another features here. You can use your Android phone to connect Android Auto or Mirror Link. Today's new wireless CarPlay upgrade for Toyota RAV4 is shared here. The box can also bring new upgrade to this car. You can check it. Thank you for your watching.